again. Nice sunny day. Gonna get all the spot welds out of the seal on the other side. So I'm gonna crack on with this. See you in a minute. Right, just cut this off. Let's cut the seal off. Last time I did do the spot welds, because it's so rusty and so rotten. I didn't bother this time. I sort of decided to just cut the seal off like this. You can see it really well. On it, you just that's it. So yeah, same as the condition the other one, pretty bad. So you've got, see how bright it is here. Look at that. Unreal. Right down there. It's an absolute tunnel down there. Look at that. Like a cave, isn't it? Anyway, yeah, rotten as. I'll probably frame that bit. It's really nice, that bit. Look at that. Looks like a little duck. Well, get some bread for that. So, anyway, ain't as bad as this corner. I don't think I'm going to have to do too much of this, to be honest, this one. Oh, we don't know. We won't know until we've cleaned it up. You know what it's like. Start cleaning it up and that'll start falling apart. So, yeah, so this is obviously a lot worse this side than the other one. So we've got to pretty much rebuild all this bit. This back bit I'm going to rebuild. I'm going to rebuild that bracket there for the exhaust. Take this off. Drill the spot welds out. Yeah, so, and obviously this rear corner panel, whatever. So I've got a new one for that. It's up there on the ceiling. So yeah. So back on the other side, as you can see, it is absolutely rotten in there. Let's see what in there. So what we're going to do again is get some frog tape, make a template. I have got the other template from the other side I've done over there, so I'll probably just use that to save a bit of time in this bit first, and then I'll come down and do this. But I mean, this is so rotten. I mean, there's not much left of it at all here. I've took this plate off, someone welded on there before. I mean, this is all going to be replaced. But I mean, down here, that's all got a tree chopped out like last time. But this inner seal, as you can see there, you can see, only comes up to there. So I've only got to replace the very top bit, which is a bit of a result. Probably got to replace this bit in here. It's quite rusty, this bit, so I'll probably cut somewhere there, replace all that up there. Again, place all this around here, and I think this is probably the solidest bit from here. So we'll cut, then we'll go, and then we're going to do this bit last, because we'll take this bit right out, replace all this, make this bit the floor underneath there. We'll have to put a new bit of flooring in to there, all the way across there. All this bit's got replaced, that bit's got replaced, and the quarter panel. And we come around here, all the way in here to there, all the way there, all that corner, and probably all the way probably up to here, probably down, probably most of this, and yeah, to that corner. Yeah, so yeah, we could pretty much all that. But yeah, it's a lot obviously worse than the other side, but let's get it started and let's go.